International Women's Day 2021. Have a lovely, wonderful Women's Day. It's been a lovely weather in here in Islamabad. You can see rain is, and now the sunshine is coming. This is the first sunshine you can see. So you women, you are like the sunshine for the men. We men are nothing without you. So we wish that all men respect women and the gender equality is always be there. No dominance or dominating gender will be there. So respect and love your genders that God has made for you to test you and give equal rights, justice and equality, social justice in all kinds of norms and values, so that we can compete our globe from all other kind of challenges like COVID-19 and other issues that are coming from environment. So be happy, be positive, and do a great job for our nation. And women, you are the essence of our planet, because you birth all the genders, whether it is a male, female, or even a transgender. You belong to all the creation of this humanity and spreading throughout the world. So we respect you, love you. From Pakistan is a message, and it is great to see that United Nations is working well for the betterment of this gender equality. So God bless you all. So from my side, love gender equality and be positive. Love women. Love this wonderful positivity, because woman is like a shelter for a man when it's come from internal side. Because without the brave man is nothing, without a woman empowerment which come always with him when he fight in battles, when he work in education sector or in science and anywhere. And in 21st century we have seen that all the women are a part of this wonderful journey, and being and also competing men in all levels, from battlefields in the to the technological fields, in medicines and everywhere, in science, in mathematics, in everything. You can see in designing, in fashion industry, you can see the women are working very well. And now the script writers, actors, artists, anywhere you can see the women are working. In journalism, you can see everywhere the women are now dominant. Even in politics, you can see women are working like a asset for the nation, asset for the gender equality. So respect this God's best creation. Love women and respect women, so they not be have a fear for a man and woman. Stop this disbalancing this kind of situation, and balance the planet globally. And this is how we can change the society, and we will be the better people, and make our generation more positive, so that the generation which is coming will have a security and have a positivity for and respecting all the gender, women and men, not degrading any gender. Just respect and balance the society. This is the message from my side. So God bless you all, and love humanity. Stay blessed, and best wishes from Pakistan, and Pakistan Zindabad.